Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how I make aloe vera gel using a fresh aloe vera leaf. I see a lot of different versions of making this gel, but this way is by far the most correct and effective way in doing so. I love what it does to my natural hair. It is a great conditioner that always leaves my hair shiny and very moisturized. Aloe vera contains vitamins that promote healthy hair growth and prevent your hair from falling out. These are some additional benefits of this amazing plant. You can check these out. Here is the ingredients list needed to make this gel at home. You would need an aloe vera leaf, a knife, a small spoon, a blender, a spray bottle or airtight container, a stocking cap, or a really good strainer. First, I wash the aloe vera and cut its ends off like so. Next, I put the aloe vera sitting upright in a container of water to drain its latex, which is a yellow liquid that is not needed, y'all. It is a must this is drained because it can cause skin irritation. Here is a breakdown on latex as it comes from underneath the skin of the aloe vera and it has laxative properties. Here is what the water looked like after about 30 to 45 minutes. I discard this and begin extracting the gel. First, I cut the leaf into pieces. Then I cut the edges off and dice in the middle, cutting it again. It should look like this so the gel is visible. I then get a spoon and scoop the gel out and put it inside of a blender. I blend until smooth. I also use a stocking cap because it works better than a strainer. I found that using a strainer still left residue in my hair as to using a stocking cap did not. This is a very important step, y'all. If not, you would be always trying to wash this out. It looks like dandruff and it is a hot mess to get out. Believe me, do not make this mistake. This is what it looks like. I also added Naboo Ayurvedic hair growth elixir to step it up a notch. And this is it. Let me know if you all try it. I would love to hear about it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, y'all.